Light as a feather, stiff as a board is a fun party trick you can play with your friends. To perform the trick, have one volunteer lie down on a soft carpeted area. Then, gather as many friends as you can and invite them to spread out around the person lying down. The more people you can get to participate, the more likely the trick will work. Ask the person lying down to cross their arms across their chest and be as still and stiff as possible. Then, instruct your friends to hold out their index and middle fingers and follow your lead. Ask everyone to slide their fingers underneath the person on the ground and begin chanting, light as a feather, stiff as a board, together, over and over again. As you chant, slowly increase your lifting effort with your fingers. Tell your friends that the spirits are going to help them raise this person up. If everyone lifts with the same amount of pressure, the person's weight will be evenly distributed across everyone's fingers, and they should slowly lift off of the ground, like they're levitating. Once they're a few inches off of the ground, slowly lower them back down. Like the Ouija board or Bloody Mary, light as a feather, stiff as a board is often played on Halloween under pretense of a magic ritual. So feel free to play it up like you're inviting spirits to help you all lift your friend.